Hello, okay, so in these episodes of Mathematics, we're going to go over our midterm review guide. And I'm going to go over the first few questions, and I'll go over them one at a time just so that makes it easier for us to get them done. Let's see, hold on, I need to insert some space here so I have more space to work with. All right. So this first problem is just a matter of we need to make sure that we remember to distribute all of our terms to both terms inside the parentheses. So this is going to become 3x minus 6. And we also have to distribute this plus 3 to both terms in here. So this is going to become plus 6 divided by 3 is 2, so that becomes 2x. And then 12 divided by 3 gives me 4, so then that becomes plus 4. And then we have this equal to 9. Okay, now we just need to combine like terms. I have a 3x here and a 2x there. That becomes 5x. And I have a negative 6 and a plus 4. That's going to become negative 6 minus 4 is negative 2. And that's going to be equal to 9. Now I'm going to add 2 to both sides. That gives me 5x is equal to 9, 10, 11. I need to divide both sides by 5. That's going to give me x is equal to 11 over 5. Okay, next question. What is the solution? So just like above, now this is a compound inequality. So as a reminder with compound inequalities, we have to, when we have that term, we want to get the x by itself in the middle. So we need to move that term, and we need to take this plus 2 and we need to subtract it. We're going to treat these symbols here, the inequality symbols, the less than and the less than or equal to, as equal signs. So I need to subtract from all sides. So then this is going to give me negative 3 less than x less than or equal to positive 2. Okay? And this is an and statement. So 3, so we could say x is greater than negative 3 and x is less than or equal to 2. All right? Same thing here, another compound inequality. Now this one, number 3, is an or statement. So we need to go in and do our ors. This, we're going to have to treat this as two separate equations. Okay, so I'm going to draw a line right where my or is so that I don't get confused with my equations. So I'm just going to add this one to both sides. So that's going to give me 3x is less than negative 10. Divide by 3, divide by 3. That gives me x is less than negative 10 thirds. And then I'm going to subtract 9 from both sides. So that gives me x is greater than negative 9 minus 7 is 2. So negative 2. So we can say our answer, we can say it this way. We can say it a couple ways. We can say x is less than negative 10 thirds, or we can say x is greater than negative 2, or we can combine this. So let's see, 10 thirds is larger or smaller than negative 2. Let's see. 10 thirds becomes 3.3, and that's negative 0.3, so that means it's smaller. So if I were to put this on a number line, okay, that means that negative 10 thirds would be here and negative 2 would be here, okay? And so now, in terms of, it says x is less than, doesn't include that, okay? Every value of x, that means that we're going to be going this way in terms of what it looks like on the graph. And x is being greater than, that means we're going to, and it's, hold on, I think that's it. Nope, we're talking about the x values going in that direction, all right? So those are two ways that we, sorry, hold on. I got distracted with graphing this. So if I want to combine this like we did up there, up here we have them in the same, I can combine these. I'm going to say x is greater than negative 2. Now I would need to switch because I want negative 2 to be on this side, or negative 10 thirds to be on this side. So when I switch the x and the negative 10 thirds, I need to switch my inequality symbol. Okay, so it needs to look like this. All right. I'll do the next video for the next one.